to Grenada. It looks the same as yesterday in St. Lucia. So that's a cricket stadium. All right, here's our breakfast. We've got water, so I got my own coffee, and we got bagels. That's it. Those are big bagels. Oh my God, that's a big bagel. Out there on the deck, they're small bagels. All right, so anyway, so we're gonna eat them.
In local term, we say use the red one, yeah? Sure. Yeah? Red roof and the orange roof inside of them. That's where you find our spice market is located.
Oh, I see it down in there, yeah.
Cricket, athletic, all inside of it. Yeah? So if you look back over to the right,
Yes.
that's some of the areas.
Very pretty.
Okay?
Oh, yeah.
If you look at the unpainted walls next to us right here, over the hill, at the farm, with the yachts, that's one of our marinas. That's the port, Louis Marina inside of there. Okay?
Louis Marina.
And the pink building that you're looking at there, that's our fire and traffic department.
Not just kidding.
Pretty. Very pretty.
Look at that white building over there.
Yeah.
Now, that's our Parliament building. Yeah?
Okay.
Parliament building. Our previous Parliament building was destroyed back in 2004 due to the passage of Hurricane Ivan. Okay? That's a new building right here. The red hill that you're looking at, building aggregates from a boat, that we call the gravel. Okay? The rough ones. That's when you go to the coast. So you can either choose to keep the existing.
Okay.
So at the farm, that's where you find the males are located. So the middle where you look at the green getting there, that's where we have the females of seasoning for your meat, yeah? So you can do your own backyard garden, yeah? So the young ones, yeah? Of the month, yeah? We have a price adjustment in petroleum products, yeah? So either the price may go up or it go down. Okay? So either ways, area down there you call Vansity. That's the place. Now also we do the importation of the vans, yeah? All these vans are imported could make ourselves a
All right, here we are in
Grenada.
Grenada.
Grenada. I know I'd say
Tomato,
it wrong.
tomato.
Yes.
Key, K, yeah,
We're on a
whatever.
tour of the island. It's very beautiful. We went way, way up high. Now we're back low by the marina. It's really pretty here. We get a free drink with our tour, so we chose the local beer. We're gonna try it and see if it's good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. For a good day. A great cruise.
All right.
Cheers.
So you probably back up top of the mountain somewhere.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to a waterfall next. All right.
Oh boy.
Getting in it. And
I
then,
get
and
thrown
then
in
a
it.
mud bath.
I get those.
See, that's what I mean. Beats me up all the time.
That's where you find some of the kitchens, yeah? All the different foods are being prepared inside of here. That's a container pack inside of there. That's some of the Chinese right.
St. George. Oh, it's pretty. Look
Yeah, this is a
Needed to do the studies, yeah?
Alright.
It's a safe haven.
engineering
We've been
training.
provided in security 24/7, 365,
Oh,
yeah?
they have a veterinarian school.
Yeah.
Good. Wow.
So they normally would provide them with a means of transportation, yeah?
Uh-huh.
See this? We have the small ones like this, yeah?
Okay.
All belong to the university, yeah? So we have a number of soldiers who lost their lives, yeah?
Yeah.
Fire station also. Right, see the fire trucks here?
Yep.
Yes. The fallen Cuban soldiers right here, yeah? So at the walls there are little plaques in there.
Right. So why build a monument? It's American one.
I don't need to get it on the way back.
Anyone wishes some photo?
You can see it right there. We got noodles and rice. It's normally a seafood shack, and during the day it's a walk. So long, Grenada. All right, babe. But look, we match.
Oh yeah, we match. 10 o'clock. We match.
Where are we going?
We're going to dinner. We'll see how it is. I'm not real starving. We had chopsticks for lunch. It was really good. So now we're going to dinner. But we'll see what we got.
Yep. All
That'd be
right.
good.
Bring that menu right about.
Nah. Deviled eggs.
Got the deviled egg, spicy deviled egg, a salad. He got a salad. And I got soups.
We get some bread.
Tuscan bean soup. What'd you get, babe?
I don't want that. Nothing.
Nothing. Got a hamburger.
Cheeseburger.
Again. Cheeseburger. Again. We got a steak. Christine got spaghetti and meatballs. Terry got nothing but her leftover hamburger. And I got venison. Bambi. Whatever.
Bambi.
I got an apple crumble, and the little guy, he got both. And chocolate ice cream.
Well, I thought they'd give me.
Alright, babe, where we going?
We're not going, we're here, we barely got a seat. We had to sit at the bar, but we're at Family Feud Live.
These people on this ship don't take their shows lightly. They're at the door a half hour before.
Yeah, doors open
And that's
at
a half
7.
hour before the half hour that the door's
Doors
open.
open at 7, we walked in at 7, and its seats are crammed. But there's a lot of people on this cruise.
Yep. Alright, I'll bring it, Dave. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Good evening. Look how pretty she looks tonight.
Thank you.
She looks pretty.
Thank you.
Alright, anyway, so we had a busy day
Very
today.
busy, and I did not take a nap.
I did.
I'm very tired.
Unintentionally, but I did on the balcony.
We got to get up early in the morning.
Again.
Another excursion.
We get tired of excursions.
Barbados.
Alright, so you saw the video. It was same as, almost like going to Antigua and taking that ride around. It pretty much looks the same.
Barbados.
Still some beautiful views though. Alright.
Good day.
Yep. So,
The Family Feud was great.
yep.
And my cheeseburger at dinner was really good.
Yeah. It was a little bigger as you noticed. So anyway, alright, so in the morning we gotta get up. We're going to Barbados tomorrow. And then we get a free day. We get a sea day
I
after
love space.
So we get to chill out a little bit. Alright, so we're going to night. I don't even know if I'm going. You know why we drink those?
And they make you sleep.
And they make you sleep. So anyway, I don't want to bore you, but anyway, tomorrow, Barbados.
Barbados, baby. And we get to go on a tour and then to the beach.
She gets to go to the beach.
And it's
Now
free
she's all
lunch
happy.
here. Free lunch here.
Free lunch
baby.
and umbrellas.
I didn't say umbrellas. I know there's free lunch here.
Always wrong. But anyway, I know. Alright, see you in the morning. Good night.
Night.